Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the 22nd and it's 3 days before Christmas and I'm ready. I have this sweater on. You guys probably see me in this already because it's like my favorite sweater. As a topper, it is a topper. I think it just elevates the lip gloss and I'm putting too much. Yeah, I always put it on the eyelid and take it to another level. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed a little makeup section. I hope I could just include makeup still in these vlogs, everyday vlogs and stuff, because I like makeup. You know, I'm trying to feel a little festive. I look so good, you know, so I think it's very important for you to just get up, get ready and stuff. You don't have to put on makeup, period. You don't got them, but I like to do it sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. Especially if I purchase a new product and I'm not a person to be going somewhere, like I don't really go out, so it's like, oh, am I gonna wear these makeup, you know? So I try to wear them in the house, test them out and see, so that when I'm doing it on YouTube or whatever, you know, I'm giving my honest opinion because I actually wear the product. And so far, I tell you guys, I've been loving Minted. Don't sleep on them, guys. Their products are wow. A lot of people be saying, no, know, mom, if I could try them. They're really good. They're really good products. And look, I think they have a concealer. I need to go and check if they do. Yeah, my tripod is so heavy. It's not even funny, but oh, I love my makeup, girl. I love it for me. Yeah, so today is the 22nd, and it's Tuesday, and I would open the door and show you guys out like a B-roll of how outside look. I probably should, right? I feel like putting on a ton of makeup. Look at my skin, girl. Oh. No. So this is our outside looking. If I could use some more. Pretty, right? And it's not that cold today, so that's good. I was talking to my friend last night, and she was saying like, hey, it's okay to show us when you're cleaning, you know? So I guess. I just have my bathroom to do since I did my makeup there. I did put up some of the makeup. I put up the makeup, but I just need to wipe down and stuff. And you know, give my baby some attention because I think he wants to go sleep. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll see you in the next clip. There it is. It's currently 12:45. So now I'm just going to check on my son's work, make sure he completes everything, correct what he needs to correct, get any more correct, and all of that jazz. Kind of a day in my life, right? Yeah. So. And also, I wanted to show you is the little drawing. How cute is that? Looks really nice, huh? Yep.